Alright, so this is what we did in the previous video. We talked about paragraph and formatting elements in HTML. And in today's video, we are going to talk about links and image tags in HTML, okay? So links are also called as anchor tags in HTML. So all you need to do is just type A and hit tab to auto-complete it. So to understand this tag much better, it is very important for you to understand attributes in HTML, okay? So attributes provide extra information to a tag, and they usually come with a name and a value pair, okay? So in this case, href is the name of the attribute and this empty space is the value, okay? So for the value, I'm going to provide it the official Amazon link, okay? So if I copy this and paste it in the value of the attribute and type here, this is a link to Amazon, okay? Amazon. Now if I save this and go refresh, it says this is a link to Amazon. Now if I click on this link is going to direct me to Amazon's website, okay? Now if you don't want this link to open in the same page and you want it to open in another tab, well, you can do this by adding another attribute called as target. So if I just type target and hit enter, all you need to do is just type underscore blank, which will then open this link in another tab. So if I click this again, it's going to open in another tab, okay? So I have my website here and Amazon is in another tab, alright? That's good. Now let's talk about image tag in HTML, okay? So first let me just write the comment image tag, alright? So to bring it in, all you need to do is just type img and click on, just hit tab, alright? So by default, you are going to have two attributes, okay? And they are source and alternative, okay? So in the source attribute, you are going to provide the source of the image, and in the alternative, you can type some text if the image is not there. Okay, so there are two ways to bring the source in. One is to locally save it on your computer, and the other is to directly bring it in from the website, okay? So let me just type Amazon logo, and if I go to images and let's say this one, okay, this one looks good. So if I just open this image in a new tab and copy this and paste it in the source attribute, and if I save this and go refresh, boom, this is the image, okay? But I have a problem with this, that it's too big, though you can decrease the size of it as well, okay? So you have attributes for that as well, and they are height and width, okay? So all you need to do is just type height, and let's just keep it as 250 pixels, and for the width, let's keep it as 500 pixels, okay? Now if I go and save this, now this looks much better, alright? That's good. Now the other way is to locally save it on your computer. So let me just save this in the folder where I'm coding right now, which is HTML tutorial as Amazon logo, okay? Now if I save this and go to my Explorer, I'm going to get the Amazon logo, okay? So first let me just remove this link real quick and just type Amazon logo. There you go. Now if I save my document, save my coding file and go refresh this, it's going to be the same, okay? Yeah, that's nice. And another thing that I wanted to show you is how you can make an image an anchor tag, okay? So first, let me just create another comment and type, one second. Yeah, image as a link. Okay, so we're gonna make this image a link to Amazon's official website. Okay, now all you need to do is first type the anchor tag, and then first just copy the link of the Amazon's official website. Okay, so amazon.com, just copy this and paste it in here. Okay, now in here, inside this one, you are going to start typing your image tag. Okay, img. Okay, no in there, in here. Okay, so just type img and hit tab, and then for the source just type the image. Like I already saved it, which is this one, Amazon logo. Okay, Amazon logo dot jpeg. Okay, jpg. And then for the alternative, I'll just type there used to be an image here. There used to be an image here. Well, this is used if your image is not shown. Okay, so it's gonna show this alternative. Yeah, and yeah, this is it. Now if I go and refresh my website and go click this, the second one, if I click this, boom, it's gonna take me to Amazon's official website. And again, you can change the size of this image as well. Okay, using the height and width attributes. Okay, so yeah, that was about it for today's video. And if this video helped you a lot, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that is it. I'll see you next time.